Good morning, friends. Miss Brosnan here. I'm ready to talk to you about some shapes. So, the first shape we are going to talk about is this one. What shape is this, friends? That's right, it's a circle. I know it's a circle because it has one curvy side all the way around. So, what shape is this? Circle. That's right. The next shape we are going to talk about is this one. What shape is this, friends? That's right, it's a triangle. I know it's a triangle because it has 3 sides and 3 points. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Now let's count the points. 1, 2, 3. 3 points. What shape is this? That's right, triangle. The next shape we're going to talk about is this one. What shape is this? That's right, it's a square. I know it's a square because it has 4 sides and 4 points. And those sides are all the same. They are equal to each other. So let's count those equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. And they are all the same size. Now, let's count the points. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points, 4 sides. What shape is this? That's right, a square. The next shape we are going to talk about is this one. What shape is this? That's right, it's a rectangle. I know it's a rectangle because it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So here are the long sides and here are the short sides. So let's count all the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, 2 are long, 2 are short. And it has 4 points. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points. What shape is this? That's right, rectangle. So sometimes it is confusing because a rectangle and a square both have 4 sides and 4 points. So sometimes even I get confused. Are they the same or are they different? The way to know is to always remember a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. And a square has 4 sides that are all the same. So they are equal. In your packet, you have some shapes that you can cut out and do exactly what I did, but I didn't have the packet, so I had some paper around and I cut up some shapes. You can also cut up shapes in any kind of paper you have. It doesn't really matter. So Miss Brosnan is going to show you how you can make some pictures with the shapes once you cut them out, or you cut up your own shapes, and we're going to do it together. So I'm going to turn the camera down so you can see the floor. And I have some rectangles here. I have some squares here. I have some triangles here. And I have some circles. So the first thing I was thinking of making was I was going to take 1 rectangle and maybe 2 circles and a square. And look at that. I have a truck or a car. I'm going to put my rectangle back with the other rectangles, my circles back with the other circles, and my square back with the other squares. The next thing I was thinking I could make is a house. So here is my square, and I'm going to put a triangle right on top of it. Do you see my house? Yeah, you can make one too. All right, now that I'm done, I'm going to take my square and put it back with the squares. Take my triangle and put it back with the triangles. What could I make next? Let's see. Let's see if you can guess what I'm going to make. I'm going to put, what's that shape? That's right, a triangle. And I'm going to put a circle on top. What does it look like to you? To me, it looks like a person or maybe a party hat. but use your imagination. You can come up with lots of different things that you can make with shapes. How about we make one more? Let's see, I'm gonna put my triangle back with my triangles, my circle back with my circles. Let's start with a rectangle this time. See my rectangle? I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna take a circle. I'm gonna put that there. And I'm gonna take all my little circles here that I have in a pile, and I'm gonna put them all around the outside. What do you see? I think it looks like a flower. That's what Miss Brosnan was going for. But it's okay if you don't think so. So now that I'm done, I'm gonna take my rectangle, put it back with my rectangles, take all my circles, because those are all the circles I have, and I'm gonna just put them back in a pile. So in this pile again, I have rectangles. In this pile, I have squares. In this pile, I have triangles. And in this pile, I have circles. Now that all my piles are sorted, I'm gonna come back to me and show you how I found some of these shapes in my house. So I was looking around, and this is actually very challenging, but I would love to challenge you guys to try this at home. I was trying to find some of these shapes in my house, and I found that there are a lot of shapes in my house actually, but it was challenging to find some. So I have this rectangle here, and I was like, where is a rectangle in my house? But I realized I have notebooks that are rectangles. See? I have spaghetti boxes that are rectangles. And there are more rectangles everywhere you look. Then I thought, where are all the triangles in my house? This one proved to be more challenging than the other ones. So here's my triangle, and I found it on this pencil case that I have. I see lots of little triangles on the pattern. Miss Brosnan loves to wear jewelry, you know that, so I found it on these earrings. And look, they're actually the same color. I also found triangle on this box of cake mix. So, see the triangle? Then I looked for this shape. Remember? This is a circle. And I have this that I use when I make spaghetti, and I see not only is this a circle, but it has lots of little circles inside. See? I also found a bracelet that is a circle. And lastly, I had this shape. Remember this shape? It's a square. So where are some squares in my house? Remember my sneakers? I wear these all the time. These, the checkerboard print, has lots of little squares on it. I also found a box of matzah. This box of matzah is a square. So I have lots of squares in my house. So my challenge for you today is to look for these shapes around your house and see what you can find. And we're gonna have a shape hunt video in the future. All right, thanks for watching. Bye guys, love you.